Hello, people. I just watched a podcast, and in the middle of a podcast, I want to finish it, of course. It's just going to take a bit of energy to go through the entire hour-long podcast. Let's talk about Farcastr. Farcastr is a decentralized attempt at Twitter, and they have a bit of innovation. There's this thing they call frames, which is essentially a programmable tweet, so you can insert code into a tweet. Maybe that brings about some innovation, but what's cool is, our company that we're building is called Rene-Lee, and it is a social application on the blockchain. And when I started Rene-Lee, there's a lot of stuff that happened in the kind of origin story of my company. The first co-founder came on, the second co-founder came on. We had 3 people. We worked for 3 years, and now the 4th person has come on, and we've arrived at a social application, a decentralized social application that helps people know who to trust and for what. And as I go about working and designing the smart contract the smart contract, I take time to watch podcasts relevant to the industry that we're entering. And it's cool because the industry is brand new, right? Not blockchain industry isn't brand new, but social on the blockchain is brand new. And what I notice is every other social application being built that is supposedly blockchain is not really blockchain. Like, they're just trying to do what Web 2 did, but maybe store the files on a decentralized database, which is kind of unique, but it's not. It's kind of cool, but it's not the true power of the blockchain. The blockchain is a trust machine, and so the social applications, I believe, that will take off and will change the world in a major way are not decentralized Twitter, or decentralized Facebook, or decentralized Instagram. Those applications have already been designed in an optimal way for their use case, and maybe there will be some value for them to be decentralized, especially when you decentralize the monitoring or it's not monitoring. Monitoring is the wrong word. It's where censorship or whatever, decentralized censorship on those. That could be a huge innovation for sure. That would be somewhat native to the blockchain, or it would be native to the blockchain. But I guess what I'm kind of saying is our application is all around trust, so it enhances people's ability to trust and trust the right person. And so Farcastr, Nostr, all these things, they're really good, but they're missing the huge opportunity of utilizing the blockchain for its native use case, which is amplifying human ability to trust by 1000x. So the blockchain amplifies our ability to trust its magnitude, so how much we can trust. We can trust with more accuracy using the blockchain, and we can trust with more distribution. We can trust more people with the blockchain, and that's the same with the internet. So the internet was a general purpose technology that enhanced our ability to trust by 1000x. It enhanced our ability to trust I'm not going to delete this. No deleting. I just have to pay attention. I'm just in the middle of the street and there's lots of distractions, and so my brain just went off on a tangent. That's good practice. I guess I have to make a mistake before I correct for it. So I'll try paying attention to just this and just say the internet was a general purpose communication technology that enhanced our ability to communicate by 1000x. It amplified our magnitude of communication, it amplified our accuracy of communication, it amplified our distribution of communication by 1000x. And so when you're thinking of new applications to build on a general purpose technology, you have to think, what does it amplify? and then how am I going to use that amplification on the specific part of human life that it's applied to. That's all for now. Oh, I was going to say the other thing. I haven't been able to go trucking right now because there was floods in Mexico where we pick up vegetables. We don't go to Mexico, we go to southern border. They bring up the southern U.S. border. They bring up the vegetables to the southern U.S. border, and then we pick them up and then we bring them back to Vancouver. But there's floods, and I have been out of work for a week or so. Got lots of work done on the application, but I'm going back to work on Saturday, and I'll continue to make videos and practice ignoring the distractions around me and paying attention to who I'm communicating with at a given time. All right, peace.